Hello beautiful people. Hi, my name is V for those of you who are new. Welcome to my channel where I discuss everything wellness, productivity, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in those topics, please stay tuned. So today, specifically in this video, I'm going to be showing you this haul. This is everything I just purchased for WW, and for those of you who don't already know or didn't watch the previous video, I'm currently on WW, aka Weight Watchers. I think that as of January of this year, they changed the name to WW. So I am on the WW Purple plan. So I'm going to show you everything that I've hauled here. My heart's in the sky, supernova. Okay, so I kind of split everything up between what has points and what does not, because I think that just makes it easier to separate my 0-point foods from my point foods, just so you could get a good visual of how things work. Okay, so this is the entirety of the haul, everything I purchased. Now, if you don't see something here, it doesn't mean I don't have it at my house. It's just, you know, I purchased what I needed, what I didn't have, and you're gonna see a lot more fruit than usual, because during keto, you can't really have fruits, you can only have berries. So now I can have, you know, the beautiful fruits I couldn't have before. I could even have some of these snacks and these foods that I couldn't have before on keto. So I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna go through, and before I do, I'll show you like what I was saying before. Pretty much everything on this side is 0 points. And then this little slither right here, I'll go through each point for each item or whatever. So all this is 0 points. Okay, so starting here, I purchased some rotini and thin spaghetti, both whole wheat. Those are my two pastas. For my meats, I purchased some chicken breast fillets, some tilapia, also some ready-made chicken fillet and some cubed chicken, just for those days when I need a quick something. I purchased some brown jasmine rice, some red kidney beans, also some black beans, lots of veggies, green beans, some California blend veggies, some sugar snap pea stir fry, mixed veggies, and then a pepper blend. I also got carrots and celery. Those are just ready to eat, so I got those. Those are my veggies. Then for some sauces on the side, these are both 0 points. I have Dijon mustard. I also have Skinny Girl ranch. For my fruits, I have kiwi fruit, some cherries, grapes, apples, banana, and that's about it on that side. Then we get into the side that has points. So I'm gonna try, I wrote down everything in my planner, so hold on. For the Laughing Cow, that one is 1 point per wedge. For the whipped creams, both the Ready Whip and the Reese's, they're 1 point per tablespoon, I believe. Same thing with the balsamic vinaigrette. That one is also 1 point. The Skinny Girl popcorn chips, this is 3 points per pack. It's a multi-pack. I don't even know how many comes in here, but it's a multi-pack, and for each pack it's 3 points. Same thing with the Truly Hard Seltzer lemonade. Anybody who knows me knows that I love my hard lemonades. I love my cocktails. I love all that jazz. So that's a must no matter what diet I'm doing. I purchased 2 cereals, which I haven't had cereal in a long time since I tried that Magic Spoon. That was like the first time in like forever. But this, seriously, real cereal, I haven't had in forever. So I purchased the Vanilla Almond by Special K and the Honey Roasted by Honey Bunches of Oats. Yeah, both of them are worth 4 points per serving. I purchased some gold potatoes and some sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes are 4 points and the gold potatoes are worth 3. And I have to double check on that, because I could have sworn I could have potatoes while on this diet. I don't know if it's like Idaho potatoes or what kind of potatoes I could buy, but I actually believe sweet potatoes was on that list too. So I'm gonna double check and see for purple if those are 0 point, because I think they're supposed to be 0 points. I could have sworn I double checked, because I'm not even like a big potato eater, and I purchased it because I thought it was 0 points. As you can see, this is empty already because I already put it in the it's already in the fridge. So those are the items I purchased. I wanted to kind of just peek in and show you everything. And yeah, to me, this is like a lot of food. Like, it's gonna take me a minute to finish this, and a lot of this Mag can't have, so it's literally just gonna be me and my dad eating. these items, but it feels so good to have fruit again. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this stuff in the fridge and in the pantry. I have my planner right here for those of you who know I'm a planner girl. So I have my planner right here. I'm gonna go ahead and plan my meals for the week. I'm excited. I can't believe I'm about to eat rice again. Like, I haven't ate rice in so long. Pasta again. Oh, I can't wait. I'm excited and I can't contain myself. So right now I'm gonna get started on some dinner. We're actually having tacos tonight, but the shell, or the, what is this called again? I can't believe I forgot. Where do you go? The wrap I'm using is from Extreme, and it's only 1 point per wrap, so that's nothing. The ground beef we're using is 0 points. I'm putting lettuce. I should see how much sour cream is, because I do like sour cream. I've noticed on WW that you can't really have dairy like that. It's like frowned upon. So I'm gonna see how many points this is. Hold on, let me check real quick. Okay, yeah, so it's 3 points for 2 tablespoons. I don't know if it's gonna make it into my wrap, because I'm really trying to stick to 20 points and not go over at all. For today, at least, it's not really worth it for me. But yeah, so I'm fine with dinner tonight. I know I'm not gonna go over because I have 15 points remaining. So pretty much on WW, just quickly, I'm gonna do a sit down about this, but just really quick between you and I'm gonna just do a quick rundown. So with WW, I get 20 points per day. I also, as of right now, get a 45-point allowance for the entire week, meaning in addition to having 20 points per day for the entire week, I have 45 additional points that I can use throughout the week, and it resets every week. 20 points resets every single day for me. The 45 points extra, like the bonus points, reset every single week. So if I have to have a cheat meal, I have bonus points. The points I have now, I could do 45 points for the entire week. So like if I have a cheat meal, I have like a buffer and I don't have to worry. Like if I go over 20 points a day, it's not so bad. With that being said, I'm trying to plan out my meals for the week just so that I can make sure I don't go over each day, and make sure that I have like some kind of buffer, because I know that I may make mistakes. I can't tell the future, but I know that since I'm new, I may make mistakes. So I'm trying to stay below as much as possible and eat as much 0 point foods as possible. That's the strategy here. You always have to have a strategy. My strategy is to try and eat 0 point foods. So yeah, if you're interested in joining me on this journey, please be sure to subscribe so you will not miss a thing. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on dinner. Yeah, let me start on dinner. So I'm gonna make a quick vignette of fruits before I start on dinner. And I like to do this just to remind myself to eat my fruits, or at least when I used to eat fruits often, this is how I would remind myself, hey, eat your fruits. So actually, I have this backwards. It's actually this way. And I'm gonna show you this piece in a little bit. This piece is actually going to be a part of a haul on the Live Love Lucious channel. If you don't already know, I have a second channel where me and my now fiance, where we discuss everything pretty much family life, vlogging, organization, new home decor, home purchase, home renovation, all that jazz. Yeah, so if you're interested in content such as that, I'll link that channel down below. Now with the bananas, I kind of learned a trick, but I don't think I have the appropriate tools for the trick. They say if you break apart the banana and use saran wrap around the tip, then it lasts longer. I don't know if I have saran wrap. Hold on. So I don't have saran wrap. I only have the little plastic bag thingy that it came with. So I'm gonna wrap that around each one of them. Find a spot for it, so I put it next to my coffee vignette, which is kind of needing some tender loving care right now, but it's a process in the making. I hate the way these look, by the way, so I think I'm gonna take them off because it's making me not want to eat the banana. They look real jank. Maybe I'll do an experiment and take off the ones in the front and leave the ones in the back and see if it works or not. I'll let you guys know. So I'm gonna take these off because they're killing me softly and kind of hide that. Oh, what an eyesore. Up, one fell. Okay, maybe it was meant to fall. Let me stop. You are loved, my brethren. You are loved. Lots of struggle over here. I'm gonna fix it, make it work, and yeah. I guess that was a piss poor example of me creating a vignette. I'm still working on it, but yeah, let me go ahead and get started on dinner. Tonight we're having tacos, which I've already told you. All I have to do is brown the meat, and yeah, we Gucci. I'm gonna do that now, and then Mag should be home by the time it's complete. And then yeah, so I'm gonna show you what we're gonna have tonight, and that's it. Okay, so the sweatband's off and dinner has been served. I have 2 tacos here, and the wraps are only 1 point each. That's like amazing. And the lettuce is like nothing. There's no points. A lot of it's like full of nutrients. Babe, what's a nutrient? Full of nutrients. And it's delicious. Say hi, babe.
No.
So yeah, he's eating a taco salad, which he's devouring because it's really good because his fiance made it. And he tried to get on me about some taco seasoning. I am the taco seasoning. I am the taco. I'm all the above. I'm everything you need. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me today. If you enjoyed it here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss a thing. I will see you in the next video. Bye.